This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Danish blue cheese. First, gather your ingredients, focusing on fresh, pasteurized whole milk. You'll need about 1 gallon. Gently heat the milk to exactly 86 degrees Fahrenheit or 30 degrees Celsius. This precise temperature is crucial for the cultures to activate properly. Once heated, stir in your chosen mesophilic culture and the Penicillium roqueforti mold spores. Ensure they are thoroughly mixed for even distribution. After adding the cultures, it's time for coagulation. Introduce the rennet, stirring gently for 1 minute, then let the milk sit undisturbed for 45 to 60 minutes until a firm curd forms. Test for a clean break. Next, carefully cut the curd into half-inch cubes. This step is vital for the cheese's texture. Then, gently stir the curds for about 20 minutes, allowing them to release whey and firm up slightly. Now, let's move to molding and salting. Carefully scoop the curds into your prepared cheese molds, letting the whey drain naturally. Over the next 12 to 24 hours, flip the cheese several times to ensure even drainage and a consistent shape. Once the cheese has firmed up, remove it from the mold and dry salt its entire surface with fine cheese salt. This enhances flavor and helps form the rind. The final, and perhaps most exciting, step is aging. Place your cheese in a dedicated aging environment, ideally between 50 and 55 degrees Fahrenheit with 90% humidity, for 2 to 3 months. After about 1 week, pierce the cheese with a sterile skewer to allow air into the interior, encouraging the beautiful blue mold to develop. Remember to check the description for links to products mentioned and other great deals. Once aged, your homemade Danish blue cheese is ready to be enjoyed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.